guys, welcome back. I wanted to share this black and white abstract art that I made. I know some of you may not feel like you have that creative, artistic ability. I see it in the comment section, but I want to share with you some techniques that will allow you to make your own custom, unique, and beautiful piece. So it is very simple. There's only 3 steps, and I want to show you exactly how to do it. The first thing that you need for this project is a canvas, and it can be any size. The one that I have is 36 inches by 48 inches. I usually go to Michael's to get my art supplies, and also there I saw these 4-pack of paint, and it was only $3, so I just grabbed a couple of them. But for this project you will only need 1 pack, and I did see it in other colors. Also, you will need 2 wide brushes. I'm going to start off by adding water in 1 cup and then my black paint in another. I'm going to try to stretch the paint a little bit, so I'm going to thin it out by adding a little bit of water. Now I'm just going to stir it up, and it should not be a really thin consistency. It should still be thick, but just a little bit thinner. What I'm going to do is just coat the entire canvas in black paint. So if you are inspired and want to try this project, put on some good music and just have fun with it. Once I was done, I let it dry for an hour. Next, I took strips of painter's tape and placed them randomly on the canvas. You can create a number of shapes using the tape. The possibilities are endless. When I was doing this, I was just going with the flow, and I didn't know what I was going to do, and I came up with this. When I first saw this, I had to give this name Broken Pieces. Now that I placed the tape on the canvas, I'm going to put a little bit of white paint in a container and do a top coat. I did add a little bit of water to this as well. If you do add too much water, you can always add paint back to it. Once I finished, I let it dry for about 30 minutes and then started removing the paint off of the canvas. I had no idea it was going to turn out like this, and I love the imperfections. To me, it was okay for the paint to seep a little bit under the painter's tape, so that might be something that happens to you, but don't worry, you can clean it up if you would like. I decided to leave it just the way it is. When I look at this painting, I noticed that it was connected. The wood pieces were connected at the bottom. I call it wood pieces because it has like jagged edges. So it was connected on the edges, and then it broke apart, and it is like shattered in the middle. So this is why I called it Broken Pieces. Can you see it? Thanks guys for watching. Make sure you check out all of my videos and hit that subscribe button. If you like what I did, hit the like button too and share it with everyone. If you're on Instagram or Facebook, please be sure to stop by and say hello. I'm at Designs by Tresha on Instagram and at I'm Tresha JA on Facebook.